Hey, what's happening? It's Henry. How are you? Nice to see you. Henry Bronson here in Manchester, Vermont. Hey, you guys might know this. Maybe you've been following me. Maybe not. Whatever. If not, it's your first time. Welcome. If you've been checking me out, welcome. Hey, just in the realm of stupid human tricks, I'm doing this 14-day challenge. It's pretty cool. I just finished dinner service. Life's great, and so here's the deal. The challenge is about leaving your comfort zone. So I'm taking a real big hike out of my comfort zone, and I am going to teach you guys how to do a French braid. I'll get the lights when I'm out. I think I got enough hair. I think. I definitely don't have enough hair. So, doing a French braid, what am I thinking? Okay. So I got this prop. All right. And, I'll put it on. All right. So I got this prop. It's pretty awesome. It's clean. Trust me. All right. Problem is when I went to get the prop, see, you can't do a French braid with this because it's all tied together over here, and in order to do a French braid properly, you got to make like a strand here and a strand here, and then you go over and around and under and back around, and then the next thing you know, you got like this cool braided hair. I mean, it's absolutely awesome. Hey, Sin, how are you? So, I'm trying to teach everybody, how to, hey, Tom, I'm trying to teach you all how to do a French braid because, when you got hair like this, you got to have a French braid going on, right? I mean, come on, you kidding me? So anyway, I'll go back to my prop again. Some of you guys jump on here late. I'm showing you guys how to do a French braid. All right. So first you get a mop, okay, and then make sure it's a clean mop head. All right. This is clean. It just came from the laundry. Okay. Now, so what I would do if this were really my deal, I would cut these things. And then I would get the strands together, all right? So then what you do is you take the strands and you basically divide them up into threes, And since I got two hands, I'm going to spaz the hell out of this. But you bring one over all the way over, and then you bring the other one back in, and then you do the other one back in, and then eventually you pull the thing, and then, see, look, it's like a French braid, only it's a mop head, It's, check it out. I should braid this, right? Anyway, listen, I'm glad some of you guys are amused. Tom, I'm sorry you can't watch. Well, then get the hell off my live. I don't care. Whatever. If you're not amused by it. I got more hair than you anyway, even though it's sliding back to the after section of the vessel, if, however you want to put it. But anyway, so short story. I don't have enough freaking hair to do a French braid. Who's kidding who? But I figured I'd have a little fun with this thing. Listen, I can tell you one thing for sure. If you want to know, about this 14-day challenge and this kind of foolishness, and actually, I had a blast doing this, this 14-day challenge, happy to tell you, I got notes, I got information, I got all kinds of happy stuff. If you happen to have, an interest in this kind of thing, please let me know. Second thing is if you want to go to a place where you can get French braids done by people that know what the hell they're doing, talk to me. I don't know, but I'll find out. Actually, my daughter's had French braids. She'll tell me where to go, right? She knows the deal. Anyway, listen, you guys have an awesome time. I hope you have a great evening. I hope you enjoy my new do. It's pretty cool, and I'll see you on the rebound. Thanks for watching. Thanks for laughing. How do you like my braid now? All right, guys. Love you. See you later. Bye. Look forward to all those direct messages. We can talk about all this cool stuff. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. See you later. Bye-bye.